Subaru has redesigned its popular Outback wagon for 2020, adding key new technology while retaining its reputation as the anti-SUV. As you can see, the Outback hasn't changed its styling much. It really looks a lot like the car it replaces. We recently rented a pair of new 2020 Outbacks from Subaru, a premium model powered by the company's 2.5-liter four-cylinder and a top-shelf Touring XT, which gets the same 2.4-liter turbocharged engine shared with the larger Subaru Ascent. We'll be buying our own when they go on sale early this fall. But this is what we know so far. The new Outback is based on a more substantial platform that has improved ride comfort, handling agility, and noise isolation compared to the last model. We found the new Outback very quiet inside, as long as the drive is a steady cruise. The Touring XT, with its 260 horsepower 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, simply transforms the Outback into a quick and effortless machine with little drone from the CVT. Handling for both models feels responsive, with little body roll in corners and decent steering response. As it was in the last model, it's easy to get in and out of this wagon, thanks to its elevated ride height. Other high marks of the redesign include a very roomy rear seat and built-in roof rack cross rails that can be folded into the roof rail when not needed. While many of these updates are real improvements, we have a few concerns about the controls. All but the base model get an 11.6-inch infotainment screen, which drew mixed reactions from our testers. It houses the controls for entertainment, some climate functions, and vehicle settings. We think that center touchscreen looks like you're playing Candy Crush, complete with childlike graphics and a rainbow of colors. Previous Outbacks had simple controls, so we're dismayed that this new approach requires users to wade into menus and submenus to do simple tasks. For example, we felt like we had to jump through hoops to turn off the lane keeping assist function. Like most new cars, the 2.5-liter model has a start-stop feature that turns off the engine at a stop to save fuel. But the restart action with the new Outback is quite abrupt and unrefined. The 2.4-liter turbo version was smoother. Lastly, the Touring XT's 10-way adjustable seats come only with two-way lumbar support. We expect more from a $40,000 car. All Outbacks come standard with forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. Optional features include blind spot warning and rear cross traffic alert with automatic braking. Pricing for the new Outback spans from $26,645 to $39,695. For years, the Outback has been an impressive performer in Consumer Reports tests and has delivered strong reliability and owner satisfaction in Consumer Reports exclusive auto surveys. And in many ways, the changes to the new model are improvements. Ride and handling are good, but some of that new tech was not as warmly received. For more on SUVs, check out consumerreports.org.